Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be sharing what I am bringing makeup wise to my wedding trip. As you guys know, I'm getting married in Mexico. At the time I'm filming this, we are 3 days away from leaving for the trip. So we're very, very close and I'm like starting to pack all my stuff. So I put all the makeup that I'm bringing in this bag and I'm gonna be just sharing with you guys what I'm bringing over there. A lot of it is what I'm gonna be using for my actual wedding because I'm doing my own makeup. And then a lot of it is also going to be just like makeup that I'm gonna be wearing either like light stuff during the day or like for dinners and like doing fun stuff at night. So there's a lot in here. This may be fast, this may be long, so grab a snack either way and get comfortable. I'm gonna try to go through it pretty quick, but we'll see. Sometimes I ramble more than I should, but I'll do my best. So yeah, before we get started, please give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like I always say, if you love anything to do with makeup, self-tanner, just life, then make sure that you're subscribed. I post 3 videos a week, so you don't want to miss out on that. Thank you if you do. But if you want to see what I am bringing for makeup to Mexico, stay tuned for the rest of the video. All right, guys, as you can see, I look a little bit different than normal, and that is because I'm doing my hair long for my wedding. So my mother-in-law is a hairstylist. She put hair extensions in for me, and I am feeling it. I really, really am loving the length, but I keep like messing with it. So if you see me just like moving it around, please ignore it. I'm not used to the long hair. It's been a while. So anyways, we're gonna jump right in because I know this is gonna take a minute. I have a couple things on the counter that I haven't like put in here yet that I remembered after the fact. So I guess I'm gonna bring these up first. The Summer Fridays Butter Balms, I'm bringing this one and the new birthday cake shade. This one is gonna be like a combo for more for like nighttime. I'm wearing it right now, but this looks beautiful with like a nude lip liner. It just like tones the red down a little bit and it makes it this perfect like pinky nude kind of color. So I'm bringing this and I'm bringing birthday cake just for like every day during the day because it's like a clear. And then I'll probably bring like 1 or 2 of the oils as well just because I probably will end up using them. I love all those products. I'm obviously bringing the Summer Fridays bronzing drops because they just give you an extra like added amount of tan because I burn really easily and I'm gonna want to at least look like I'm getting a tan. So of course I'm bringing some bronzing drops just in case when I do my makeup. I'm bringing the NARS Afterglow Liquid Blush in Orgasm because it's one of my favorite liquid blushes of all time. It always looks good no matter what makeup look you're going for, so I'm definitely bringing this. I'm bringing the Laura Mercier Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Concealer because it's just a really, really lightweight concealer that just looks really good. It makes your skin look really hydrated, really awake, youthful, and it's just light. So I'm definitely bringing this if I want a little bit more makeup during the day or if I don't feel like doing a lot of makeup at night. I'm definitely gonna use this one. Gotta bring an eye primer for especially when I'm doing my wedding makeup, but just in general. This one is the Rare Beauty Eye Primer, my favorite one. And then I'm also bringing the BALI Tinted Super Serum. So it's SPF 30. I love that because obviously it has SPF in it, so I'm protecting my skin. The sun is gonna be hot in Mexico, and I'm definitely gonna need SPF on my face, but this is obviously like a tinted moisturizer, so it's gonna give me a little coverage, a little glow at the same time, so I'm protecting my skin and I'm looking good. So I'm definitely gonna be wearing this daily. So those are the ones that I forgot to put in the bag that I'm gonna be putting in after this video is over. And then let's see what else. Brushes. So I have a ton of brushes that I'm bringing. They're all random, so I won't go over every one individually. I'm just gonna grab whatever's on top and then go from there. I'm for sure bringing the NATASHA DENONA I Need a Nude palette, especially because I'm doing a few different people's makeup for my wedding day, so I wanted to make sure that I have a variety. There are some shades in here that I'm gonna be using on myself just throughout the trip because there's some like glossy finish shades. There's some really, really pretty like neutral browns that I see myself using. So, and I feel like a couple people like cool tones more, so I feel like this is a very good universal palette and everyone's gonna love it. So I'm for sure bringing this one. The other one, of course, that I'm bringing is the Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes eyeshadow palette. Oh, and the Master Mattes. Oh my god. How could I forget? Okay, I'm bringing 4 palettes. So I'm bringing the Ethereal Eyes palette because I use and abuse all of these shades, and I already know that I'm gonna be using this one for my wedding. And then I'm also bringing the Master Mattes because this has like every matte you could ever need in the palette. So it's just gonna come in handy and I know I'm gonna use at least one of those. And then the other palette that I absolutely have to bring is the Patrick Ta Major Dimension 3 palette. I literally use this one almost every time I do my makeup, so I have to bring it. This is probably gonna be the main palette that I use on my eyes because I just grab for this all the time. It always looks good. The shades blend beautifully, so I'm for sure using this mainly on my wedding day. And then the next thing I have is blush. I'm bringing the Dior Rouge blush in Rose Montaigne. I'm obsessed with this stuff. I'm for sure wearing it on my wedding day. It just looks so beautiful and like feminine and like pinky peach, like rosy. It's just so pretty. It blends perfectly. It makes my cheeks look airbrushed, gives you the perfect amount of color. And then I'm also bringing the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. This also makes my skin just look airbrushed. I love the way this like blurs my whole face when I put it on, and I feel like it's perfect for something like my wedding day. So I'm definitely going to be bringing this. And then I'm also bringing the Givenchy Prisme Libre powder in shade 3, Viol Rose. This I only put really like on the sides of my nose and like under my eyes. And I take one of these little puffs and I just like tap it in and blend it out. So this I'm for sure wearing for my wedding. I'm gonna be bringing these two together to just put under my eyes. And it gives you the most like airbrushed, perfected under eye. Next is the Chanel Lace Beiges Cream or Healthy Glow Bronzing Cream. I have this in Universal. I'm almost out, so I'm just like scraping at the edges at this point, but I still have quite a bit of product in here, so I am bringing this for sure. I'm also bringing the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Contour Wand. This one is in Fair Medium. This gives me the perfect contour, like a liquid or cream contour that kind of shades those areas that I need it to. And then I'm bringing, of course, the Dior Forever Natural Bronzer in 5 Warm Bronze. My current absolute favorite bronzer. It is a matte. It looks perfect. It blends beautifully onto your skin, and I just know it's gonna make my cheeks look perfect for my wedding and just in general. I'm gonna be wearing a lot of these also every day, and especially that bronzer. And then I'm also bringing the highlighter. It's the Dior Forever Couture Luminizer in Nude Glow. This will be my wedding highlighter. It's beautiful, it's perfect, it's not too much, still gives me a pretty glow, so I'm for sure gonna be wearing that. For foundations, I'm bringing 3 of them. So I am like still deciding what I'm gonna wear for my wedding. We'll see. I feel like I can't go wrong with any of these, but I just wanna keep my options open for now. So I'm bringing the Hourglass Ambient Soft Glow Foundation. I have mine in shade 8. Love this stuff because it's not like glowy, but it's not matte either. It's like a natural finish, but it lasts such a long time. Looks so beautiful, so airbrushed on your skin, and it just doesn't feel like there's like heavy makeup on you. It's so beautiful, it's so perfect. And then the Chanel Ultra Le Teint Ultra Wear All Day Comfort Flawless Finish Foundation. This one is more on the matte side. It's a little bit of like a fuller coverage than the Hourglass, but this stuff looks amazing on your skin. Like I literally will look like I airbrushed my makeup on myself when I put this on. It literally lasts all day long. It does not move. I feel like I'm leaning mostly towards this one because I just am obsessed with what it does for me. It looks amazing, and I'm like very, very confident that this is gonna make me look flawless on my wedding day. And then I also have the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish. It says it in the name, like this stuff is literally flawless. It literally makes you look airbrushed, and I'm obsessed with it. It lasts forever. You cannot go wrong with this one. So this is like the safest bet. You know this is always gonna make you look great. So I'm either gonna pick one of these or I'm gonna mix a couple of them. We'll see when the time comes, but I'm very confident about all three of those. I'm bringing the Hourglass Vanish Airbrush Primer because that's exactly what it is. It literally makes your skin look airbrushed. It like makes your pores disappear. This is the best primer I've ever used. I love it so much, and I'm for sure bringing it for my wedding and just for everything. My wedding concealer slash like my other concealer for like nights that I don't want this like lighter one is gonna be the Dior Forever Correct concealer in 2N. This stuff is like medium to full coverage. It lasts forever. Literally makes my under eyes and like wherever else I'm highlighting look flawless, and just nothing beats this stuff. Like there's no concealer right now that I love more than this, and I just know it's gonna make me look beautiful on my wedding day, so I'm for sure bringing this one. And then of course I'm bringing a color corrector because I feel like with my wedding day there's probably gonna be lots of emotions. I'm gonna be like spending long hours getting ready, so I want to look very like awake. So I'm bringing the NARS Radiant Creamy Color Corrector in medium. I love this stuff for my under eyes, so I'll just like color correct any like dark circles or any redness that I have on my face, and it works so beautifully, so I'm for sure gonna be bringing that. For mascara, I'm bringing the Fenty Hella Thick Volumizing Mascara. I'm doing eyelash extensions. I'm actually going to get them done tomorrow, so I won't be applying this to my like top lashes, but I'll probably do this on my lower lash line, and I might bring Benefit Roller Lash too, just in case, because I love it, and it's a little bit more subtle than this one, but this is like my favorite mascara right now, so I'm definitely bringing it. For my wedding lipstick, I'm bringing Makeup Forever Wherever Walnut because it's the perfect pinky nude. And on top of that, I'm doing the DIOR, Rouge Dior Forever Liquid in shade 100 Matte. These two as a combo is absolutely insane. Like, it is beautiful. I tried it on the other night when I was like practicing some wedding makeup, and my lips looked so perfect. So this is for sure gonna be my wedding lip combo. And then I'm bringing two eyeliners, both Makeup by Mario. I'm bringing one that is black, just in case I want to do like a smokier eye one night. And then I'm bringing the like nude pencil eyeliner as well, just for when I want my eyes to be a little bit more awake, also on my wedding day. I'm also bringing a brow gel. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's their brow freeze gel. Your brows do not move when you put this stuff on, and I feel like I'm gonna need that, so I'm definitely bringing that. Also the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow powder in medium brown, because I feel like this is gonna help me just shape my eyebrows perfectly for my wedding day and beyond. And then cream or liquid blush, Rare Beauty Bliss. It's like the pinch liquid or soft pinch whatever liquid blush. This is the perfect like soft pink blush, especially for something like my wedding. I'm for sure going to be wearing this for that because it gives me the perfect flush of color, and then I can play a little bit more with the powder blush as well, so I'm definitely using this for that. And then last but not least, setting spray. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This stuff is cement for your face. Whenever I put this on, my makeup literally does not move. Like, this for some reason just like freezes all my makeup in place, and it like stays put all day and all night. So this is definitely what I'm bringing and using for my wedding and just whenever I put makeup on. So that's everything I'm bringing. I know it's a lot, and I feel like if this wasn't my wedding trip, maybe I wouldn't bring so much makeup, but I really want to make sure that I am like fully prepared and fully set on like beauty products, especially because it's my wedding, and I just want to have a variety of stuff to have like on the other nights that we're there, and because I'm doing makeup on a few other people for my wedding, so I just want to have like a variety for myself and for other people. So that is it, you guys. That's everything I'm bringing on my trip. So I feel good knowing that I have like everything that I need makeup wise for the trip. I feel a little bit of a relief because of that. So that's all I've got for today, but comment and let me know what you think about my choices for what I'm bringing for my wedding and just for every day. Let me know what else you guys want to see from me. Give this a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.